When I came to the UK, I lived in a nurse's home. A pipe running through the room, and that was your heating. One of them pipes.
Tell me about it. It's a sew for people. Anything. Wedding dress, bridesmaid dresses. Sometimes I have 3 bridesmaids. I do the 3 bridesmaid dresses. And then I do the bride dress.
It is called a housewife. It consisted of a needle, thread, cotton, thimble, and a couple of bobbins.
I was at school actually. I remember the big girls, big young ladies. They would be there doing their crochet. Nobody teaching me, but I'm looking over their shoulder what they're doing. I never forget. And then we used to do things like that for exam. Boys used to do things that they used to do for examination, and us girls used to do different things like tablecloth and all kind of different things we used to do.
My mother used it to crochet.
Crochet things for the house.
Those what do you call it? Centerpieces.
When I was like 16 years old, I started, and I used to use patterns and knit baby clothes. And I knitted a lot of stuff for my son when he was born. And the problem with me is that when I start, I have to finish. If I put it down, I don't go back to it.
Embroidery.
All I can tell you, my aunt used to do it and she loved it, and she do this thing and sell it, in Spanstone Road in Kingston.
I went straight. I think Salvador is a university because they teach you and they send you to school to learn to cut. And I spent 10 years in Salvador. I made trousers, and I look at the guys and them who was making jackets and try to remember what they do.
Never thought it would come out.